Nekros farm build. This is total control, the collapse engine. The synergy so tight enemies don't die, they just stop existing. Nekros subsumes roar for dominance and builds around total battlefield lockdown. Every action, every ability feeds the collapse engine. Stagger, slow, freeze, disarm, and knock down. Your enemies don't get turns, they just collapse. Loadout breakdown. Start with the Tenet Glaxion, model with Photon, Overcharge, primary Obstruct, and build for Corrosive, magnetic, and cold. It freezes, disarms, strips armor, and shields, while generating Energy Orbs to fuel your rotation. Pair that with Utility Grimoire, shield getting active, and Universal Energy Orbs for constant uptime. Then bring Ripkas, its Augment spawn 100% additional gore chance for more loot and additional Energy Orbs to trigger Arcane Eruption. Collapse engine methods. These are my favorite collapse engine routes, each one control perfected. Number 1, Piercing Roar plus Creep and Terrify. Roar staggers and increases DPS. Terrify slows everything and strips armor, instant paralysis. Number 2, Creep and Terrify plus Arcane Eruption. Energy Orbs trigger AoE knockdowns, slows, prevent recovery. Knockdown plus code. Slams or code procs, chain lock enemies, and permanent animation freeze. Panzer companion with Bell Ringer plus Chilling Claws. Your companion enforces collapse even when you move on. How do you execute? You start with Terrify, follow with Roar for the armor strip, and Stagger. Use Glaxion to trigger code and generate orbs. Ripkas and Eruption maintain collapse while Panzer cleans the edges. The field folds. Enemies can't aim, move, or recover. This is Nekros, collapse control. Not for farming, not for mercy, for command.